Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3405 for the 2019-20, the Hit Parade Basketball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. It's 10:48 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:48 p.m. Central Time, and 7:48 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Schmar with 1 spot, Ed 1, Mo 4, Tab 6, Staple 2, going out of the business 1, Rim CC 1, Relive with 1, FRJ 3, Card 1, Notorious LG 3 with 2, Going Gone 1, Woolsey 2, and Bobblehead 4 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to break. Schmar on top, Bobblehead bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Tab on top and on the bottom. We have Tab with the Hawks and Celtics, Mo Nets, FRJ Hornets, Bobblehead Bulls. Going out of the business with the Cavaliers, FRJ Mavericks, Card Nuggets, FRJ Pistons, Notorious Warriors, Bobblehead Rockets Pacers, Mo Clippers, Ed Lakers, Bobblehead Grizzlies, Staple Heat, Rim with the Bucks, Woolsey with the Timberwolves, Tab with the Pelicans, Mo's Knicks, Woolsey Thunder, Going Gone Magic, Notorious 76ers, Relive Suns, Staple Trailblazers, Tab with the Kings, Schmar with the Spurs, Mo Raptors, Tab Jazz, and the Washington Wizards. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Empty. Very nice. Oh, rookie jersey auto, Cleveland Cavaliers. That is Colin Sexton for the Cleveland Cavaliers. 28 out of 299. Prism jersey auto rookie for Cleveland. Who has Cleveland Cavaliers going out of the business? Congrats on the Cavs. 3405 in the 2019-20 Basketball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And right after this, we have break 3381 in the 2019 Leaf Valiant Baseball Value Pack. Thanks.